Listen to that. Whoa, I saw that lightning. And behind that tree. In a minute now we're going to get the big crack.